Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to ditch our factory mirrors and get some more light out on the trail. If you're looking to add some extra light when you're out on the trail, today we're going to be installing these Oracle side mirror LED lights onto our 2017 Ford Raptor. These Oracle LED side mirrors are going to fit all 2015 to 19 Ford Raptors as well as standard F-150 pickup trucks. They feature 24 1-watt Cree LEDs and total to 2200 lumens for both of the lights. Features a 45-degree LED beam angle, which is going to let you see far beyond where you're headed and also see on the side in case of any wildlife when you're out on a trail or a deserted road. It's a 6000 K color temperature and it's a super simple install, so let's get them thrown on there and see how they look. Tools you're going to need for this installation: T15 Torx bit, flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and basic wiring tools. Now we're going to start on the driver's side, and as you can see, we've got our door open. The first thing we're going to remove is this interior plastic trim panel. All you've got to do is just pull it off from the top and give it a nice even pull straight from the bottom, and it'll pop right off for you. There are two wiring connections right on the inside of the door. Now to get those released, there's going to be a tab towards the vehicle that you're going to push in and then pull them straight out. Same down here, push that in. The whole thing might want to come with it, but if you just push it in and it'll separate like that, now we're good to go. So as you can see, I've got the mirror pulled off. Now it's extremely difficult to see and hear with a camera on how to do it, so I'm going to explain it while it's apart. What you're going to have to do is use a small flathead screwdriver, and there's small clips in this section right here and over here. You can see them on this base. And what you're going to do is just pry these up so that it releases from these clips. There's two also here that hold onto the bottom left and the bottom side here. Now you're gonna have to get those off, and then it'll just pry right out towards you. Then we can get these two plugs disconnected and start working on this section. We've got these two popped out of their housings. Now to get the smaller one disconnected, push firmly on this lower section and then it'll split. And over here, you're gonna have to push right up top. Now it's disconnected, set this aside in a safe place. There are 4 Torx screws around the perimeter of this mirror that we're going to have to get removed. Use a T15 Torx bit to pull those off. Nice. To get the outside of the mirror removed, there's going to be a little clip on the inside right here that you're going to push this way. So you're going to reach in there and pull it. While you're doing that, you're going to go out here and pull on the entire perimeter nicely. The way it can make its way out. To get the cover fully removed, there's a connection right here. Grab a hold of it and then pull it off. Now we're fully free to go. On the inside of the mirror, there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 of these tabs that we have to get removed so we can get this outer black cover off. They're just easy tabs. Simply pull on them, get them over, get those top 2 off. This is where you're gonna have to work at it a little bit. We've got the outside cover removed. Now onto the inside here, we're gonna take the wiring from the Oracle light bar, run it through the top hole, pull it all the way through. We're gonna grab our light bar piece, make sure that wiring's all the way through, get it lined up. And you're gonna run the screws through 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. It includes the screws, so let's get those in. Now here, all 4 of the screws are installed. We're gonna go ahead and get them tightened up. These are provided with the kit. Just go nice and slow. It's a simple plastic stud underneath there just to hold these on. Alright guys, now there's a couple ways that you can wire this up. The first way, and the way that we're going to be doing, is tapping into our side LED marker lights. Now these are activated inside the cab by a switch already, and if you're going to do this option, your white wire is going to connect to the black on the Oracle, and the orange wire is going to go to the red. A secondary option would be to take this mirror off and run the wire all the way in through underneath your engine bay and hook it up to one of your upfitter switches up on top. It's a little bit more work, and honestly, if you've already got these here and you have a separate switch, I recommend doing this. However, there are a few options you can do. Instead of cutting the wire, I'm gonna use a razor blade to get access to it. That way we're not cutting factory harness. Okay guys, now that that's completely soldered up, I threw some electrical tape around it. Remember, orange goes to red, white goes to black. So that's all connected. This is hooked up to the Oracle light. We're gonna plug the courtesy light back in. Make sure that's fully on there. And then we're going to get this all back into place. Make sure it's snugly secure to that original mirror housing, and then I've already tightened up the 4 T15 Torx bits on the other side. That keeps it nice and tight. Now let's go over there and put the mirror back on. Make sure to reattach both of the wiring connections behind your powered mirror. And then we're gonna put this back into place. Make sure to reconnect all of the wiring connections, one up top and then the second one down below. Go ahead and throw that plastic trim panel back on. Make sure it's fully secure. Then we're gonna repeat the exact same process on the other side, and that'll complete your install. Since we've got these wired up to the switch that's already on the dash, I'm gonna go ahead and press it and see how they look. Wow, that's a ton of light for that short install that we did. Factory wiring everything, the switch looks great. Now we've got control of either side here. Pretty happy with the way these turned out. Check it out guys, we've got the whole studio completely blacked out. All the lights are off, no natural light in here, and it is lighting up everything. I have a feeling that when these things are out on the trail or on a dark road, you're gonna be able to see any deer, anything on the side of you, which is really, really cool. Well guys, that's a wrap. We've got these Oracle mirror lights installed onto our 2017 Raptor, and I couldn't be happier with the way they turned out. Overall, it's about an hour and a half for both sides, some simple wiring, and you've got a ton of light output. Now, I can't wait to see how this thing performs on a dirt trail at night. Really give some light out into those woods, places that you can't normally see. Now, if you want to order a set of these Oracle mirror lights for your truck, be sure to check out cjponyparts.com.